Hello, everybody. Welcome to this nightly tropical update for July 22nd, 2020. We have a lot to talk about. From Gonzalo, expected to become a hurricane, to Douglas, expected to become a major hurricane, and the system in the Gulf, the potential system in the Gulf now has a 90% chance of forming. So let's first look at the system in the Gulf. Oh my God. So, guys, I'm not going to use models or windy because whenever I use models, then I like to use windy too, and it makes the videos too long. And when you have a lot of information from just the National Hurricane Center. So like I did yesterday, I'm just going to do the, for now, so far, how these are going to go is just National Hurricane Center, unless there's something really important, but yeah, unless something changes or anything. Anyway, data from the Air Force Hurricane Hunter surface observations indicate that an area of low pressure over the central Gulf of Mexico is gradually becoming better defined. However, the accompanying shower and thunderstorm activity is still poorly organized. Environmental conditions appear conducive for slow development of the system, and a tropical depression is likely to form next day or so as it moves westward at about 10 miles per hour. Interest in the western Gulf of Mexico should monitor the progress of this system, as watches and warnings could be required for portions of the coast of Texas and Louisiana tonight or on Thursday. 80% chance in the next 48 hours of forming. 5 days is 90% chance. Now let's talk about Gonzalo. So Gonzalo is expected to move near or over the southern Windward Islands this weekend and could bring direct impacts from winds and heavy rain. While it is too soon to determine the magnitude and timing of those impacts, interested in the southern Windward Islands should monitor the progress of the system. Wind speed probabilities, not that high. But on the Windward Islands mainly, up to 20-30 miles per hour. On the Windward Islands, up to 10. Oh, I meant percentage. I meant up to 20 or 30 percentage, not miles per hour. Anyway, up to 5 to 10 percentage, 50 knots on the Windward Islands, and there's no probability for hurricane force on the Windward Islands. If we look at the warning, let's look at arrival time of winds, most likely. They're going to hit the Windward on Saturday, 8 a.m. to Saturday, 8 p.m. And here are the wind speed probabilities. Warning cone. It's going to become a hurricane probably around afternoon Thursday, and then it'll be the last of a hurricane 2 a.m. Saturday. Hit the Windward Islands 2 p.m. Saturday, then keep moving on. If we look at the discussion, so when it's hitting, it's going to be 75, but mainly 70 miles per hour around to 60 and 45 miles per hour. And these are knots. You can just look at those. Here, let's just look at those. Okay. Now, we are going to look at the most exciting part of this video, at least to me. We're not looking at, we can look at this. An area of low pressure is forecast to form south of the southern coast of Mexico and portions of Central America by this weekend. Some development of the system possible early next week while it moves generally western versus western. 0% chance in the next 40 hours. In the next 5 days, low 20% chance. It's a look at Douglas, the most important part. Okay, this is from the 11 a.m. advisory. Douglas is expected to move near or over portions of the Hawaiian Islands this weekend, and there's an increasing chance that strong winds and heavy rainfall could affect portions of the state beginning on Sunday. Interest on the Hawaiian Islands should continue to monitor this progress of Douglas and official forecasts as they evolve over the next few days. On the Hawaiian Islands, almost a 30 to 40% chance, but right now just a 20-30% chance. Of course, those chances will get gradually higher as we go on. 5 to 10% chance of 50 knot winds. Of course, those will get gradually higher as we go on. And hurricane force winds will probably move to the Hawaiian Islands as we get closer. Here's the surface winds right now. And here is the wind history. So yeah. And of course, like I said, these will get gradually higher as we go on. The wind speed probability is gradually higher as we go on. Let's look at the most important part of the cone. Now, tomorrow, or in the next update, it should still be a hurricane. But when we're waking up tomorrow, it should be a major hurricane. All the way up to the night of Thursday, it should be a major Category 3 hurricane. This is going to be the first major hurricane, not only in the Eastern Pacific or Central Pacific, but also in the Atlantic. Out of all those oceans, it's going to be the first major hurricane. We definitely have to watch that out. Then it's going to be back to a hurricane 8 a.m. Friday. And it could hit, it looks like it's going to hit Hawaii now at around 8 a.m. Sunday. So morning of Sunday. So still 4 to 5 days out. So warnings definitely won't go up for a little bit. But expect to hit Hawaii as a Category 1 hurricane. And then it's leaving Hawaii as a strong high-end tropical storm. Let's look at the forecast track line. So so there's a forecast track line. We really have to monitor this. And if we look at the discussion, so 80 miles per hour, then 100, then 115, 115, 105, 90, 85, 75, and 65. When it says near Hawaii, like 65, it would have already gone over Hawaii and it's leaving Hawaii. So when it says near Hawaii, it means like right about to hit Hawaii or like on Hawaii. That's what it means by near Hawaii. So it looks like it can hit Hawaii as a 75 mile per hour Category 1 hurricane, and then it's leaving as a high-end 65 mile per hour tropical storm. Here, look at that. So yeah, Hawaii definitely has to watch this, and this is really exciting to look at this. It's not exciting for the Hawaiian Islands, but it's really exciting all these tropical systems, and especially this one to me. Especially this one. Yeah, and of course here the arrival time of winds again. Here is early, it's reasonable, most likely. On 3 days. Full forecast. And of course, like I said, the wind speed probabilities will get gradually higher for the Hawaiian Islands as we get closer. And so definitely something to watch. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. And I will see y'all guys next time. Bye.